Hi friends, it's Mike here with a new design team project for Simply Crafty SVGs. Today I am sharing the assembly of the Vintage Vanity Case. So let's jump right in and let's get started. I have all my pieces already cut out. The pattern paper is from Graphic 45 called Midnight Masquerade, and the solid purple cardstock is from American Crafts. As always, I'm going to go and ink all my edges to hide any white on the pattern paper and also give the project a little more dimension. Today for my ink, I'm using Fresh Fig from Stampin' Up! Along with a mini blender tool. First off, you'll notice that I have sped up some parts, like a lot. I wanted you to see the process, but I figured you wouldn't want to watch the entire 45 minutes. I am starting with the bottom piece, and this consists of 3 pieces. I did fold all the square lines and will attach the 2 rectangle pieces, which will form the bottom box wall. Then I will glue the flat piece, which will become the bottom. Don't worry about the tabs, as these will be on the bottom and not be seen. But you can always cut an extra liner if you wanted to finish off the outside bottom. It's time for the top of the vanity case. This consists of the same shapes as the bottom, just a shorter version, and it goes together the same exact way. The only exception is I applied glue to all the tabs on the inside and glued the flat piece all at once. For me, this was an easier process. I am also gluing the inner panel, in which I chose to keep the same color, but you could change up the color if you wanted your interior to be another color, or use pattern paper. This panel also strengthens the project. I also glued the hinge piece onto the top and the bottom of the case, making them one piece. So now comes the fun part and decorating your case. I really like this paper and I'm really happy the way this came out. I'm now gluing the decorative hinges to the back. As you can see, there are some small holes on there. Those are so you can add brads, rhinestones, sequins, etc. I chose to use liquid pearls in the color Silver Pearl, as you'll see in the end photo. I think it gives a really nice look to the hardware pieces. The handle is really easy to assemble. You just need to fold up the sides and glue the handle right in the top of the middle. And the entire element gets glued to the top of the case. Next, I'm going to go and glue the black piece to the keyhole, and I will finish assembling all of the extra hinges and apply those to the case. And that finishes out today's project. As you can see from these last photos, the liquid pearls I added was perfect to embellish the hardware. This case makes an excellent gift box if you wanted to use it for a small gift or even some treats. The overall case measures 5.8 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall by 4.25 inches deep. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe onto my videos. And please make sure you head over to Simply Crafty SVGs to check out the website for all the fun SVG files that my friend Sandy has available. All the links to anything that I used will be in the description box below. Thanks all and have a great day.